In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy now, pay later with Klarna. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Klarna offers two main buy now, pay later options. First, you have the most popular option, which is pay in 4. You can split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, typically spread every 2 weeks. So to do this, just browse through the Klarna website or mobile app. You have to shop at a Klarna partner store, so you can look for the Klarna logo at checkout, like I'm going to display here, or browse through stores directly through the Klarna app. So when you browse through the items, you will be able to see in which stores or retailers it is available. So for example, this Nike Air Jordan 1 is available through Kickscrew, Flight Club, Quickscrew, Nike, Finish Line, and so on. You just have to select whichever one you prefer. You will see the prices over here, the shipping costs, the days in which it will take for it to arrive, and you just have to click on these to be redirected. If you are doing this process through the app, it is going to be the same thing. Once you reach checkout on a specific store, you will be able to find Klarna under the payment options. So usually you will be able to choose between credit or debit card, PayPal, and then Klarna should be listed. If you see the Klarna logo as an option during checkout, it means that you will be able to use Klarna to make this purchase and buy now, pay later. Another example is if you go over to the PlayStation Store, where you can browse through consoles or any other PlayStation services, items, and you will be able to pay using Klarna when you reach checkout. Like I said, it is extremely simple. As long as you choose Klarna during checkout, you will be able to use the classic pay in 4 option. The other option that is also going to be available if you can't find Klarna during checkout is pay in 30 days. This option allows you to receive your order upfront and get an extended grace period to pay. So you will be able to follow the usual steps and choose pay in 30 days instead. You will complete the application, which is similar to Pay in 4, and like I said, you will be able to manage all of the payments on the latest version of their mobile app after you go through with any purchase using Klarna. When you proceed to checkout and you continue with Klarna, you just have to sign into your account and manage the payments or the installments on the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy now, pay later with Klarna. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.